QQQY and IWMY have just been absolutely stunning and amazing. I want to go over some of those with you and how I've made so much money off of Tesla recently. This is Mike, the tactical stock scalper. All right. First, we're going to start off here at SPY, which is the ETF of the S&P. I just prefer to look at SPY. It's cleaner for me. So we talked about this long period of consolidation, that what happens when you get a long period of consolidation? A dynamic move occurs, whether it's up or down. You never know. You just know when you get a long period of consolidation like that, there will be a dynamic move. And we indeed did get that from SPY. What a rip up out of this consolidation period. Just stunning and gorgeous, to be honest with you. Absolutely loving the market ripping like this. SPY's looking incredible. Let's look at the Qs. All right, again, another long period of consolidation, right? And then what did we have? A dynamic move up. Wait till you see IWM. They had a bull flag that we were talking about and going long on IWM. Well, we'll talk about that in just a minute. Look at the Qs. Long period of consolidation, dynamic move, bounced right here off the 20 EMA. We did a video about that, about going along on the Qs there after a held support on the 20. What a ripper since then. Fantastic stuff. Now let's look at QQQY for a second. Now I understand the markets are going up, right? I get that, and everyone's going to be like, Mike, the markets are going up. That's why it's happening. Well, isn't this the way it's supposed to be, right? When the markets go up, the high yield ETF follows it somewhat? Well, yeah, it is. This is the way it's supposed to work. The market went down here. QQQY went down. We had a dividend drop. Markets went up, fully came back up. Now, what do we have here? Dividend drop. QQQY coming up with the markets, albeit at a slower rate, but still fantastic. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I'm loving QQQY. Let's look at IWM. Look at this thing. We had a long period of consolidation on IWM. We talked about when this happens, we'll get a dynamic move. What did we get? A dynamic move. Then we talked last week about the bull flag on IWM. What did we get? A dynamic move out of the bull flag. Very, very just textbook, honestly. But I do want to show you something. Let's go to this weekly chart. Now we're getting to a point on IWM. Now listen, it moves different than the markets, than the NASDAQ or the S&P or the Dow Jones. Now we're getting to a point on IWM where I have made a lot of money. This is not financial advice, but where I would start shorting IWM once I start getting around the 195 level. I typically go long around the 165 level. Sell my calls or sell my shares, and then quickly go short. I usually put a stop about 205 because it has this potential, right? After it breaks 200, we can go back up to this zone here. I am not looking to hold my shorts through months of that. So what I will do is put a stop loss at 205. Once IWM reaches 195, I will go short, put a stop loss at 205, and then ride it back down to 170-ish like I have for the past, 2 years or so. So now check out IWMY. Okay, we got to go to a smaller time frame for this. IWMY, absolutely gorgeous. Consolidated here, right? Just like its underlying did. And now we're breaking out here just like its underlying is. Well above my cost basis and getting back to where it was previous before the dividend drop. It's just absolutely stunning how even in short increments these Defiance funds still do a nice job of capturing upside while collecting dividends. Really hard to beat right now in the market, I think, anyway. And why I'm only holding QQQY and IWMY just because I think they're performing extremely well. I want to see how they perform when the market goes down or whatever, but I think that means volatility increases and option prices will increase and we'll still make money. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's look at Tesla. Okay, Tesla has done really well for me. Well, I've been trading TSLL. But because of this wonderful range that Tesla has provided us, I've been able to go long at 230 on Tesla and go short at 245. It's been an incredible range and extremely grateful for Tesla for having this range. People were freaking out today when Tesla dipped below 230, but it didn't close below 230. It did here what it did here. Dipped below, tested the waters, got right, look at the volume bar on that. Got bought right back up, and up we go. Tesla has been incredible in this range. When she breaks out, I'm surely going to miss her. But you are bearish on Tesla. Well, I am bearish on Tesla below 230, closing below 230, and bullish on Tesla with a close above 250. But until that happens, I'm a bear, then I'm a bull. I'm a bull, then I'm a bear. I'm back and forth until Tesla can show me what she wants to do. Hope you enjoyed the content. This is Mike, Tactical Stock Scalper.